property specialist here at MegaWorld Corporation.
Are you looking for a new home or investment? Check out our new condominium here inside the lively Araneta City.
Loran Park is located at General Rojas Avenue, corner General Romulo Avenue, Araneta City, near Cubao Expo, former Marikina Shoe Expo. Architectural design of Loran Park is more modern and upscale compared to all previous projects inside Araneta City.
Step inside to find spacious units that fit different lifestyles. Whether you're a busy professional, a family, or an investor, we have options for you.
Deliverables of Loran Park is semi-furnished with range food and cooktop, porcelain tiles and planks, kitchen cabinets over and under, modular closet, and furnished bathroom and kitchen fixtures. With digital lock set on your main door, Loran Park is a smart unit that features a wireless smart home system that can be accessed remotely via phone app. This gives residents the ease and convenience of controlling several unit features, including lighting fixtures and other smart appliances in the living, kitchen, and dining areas as well as the bedroom. Motion sensored light in the bathroom. Video intercom so you can already see your guests in the lobby even you're still upstairs. Standby power generators for emergencies. Full shower glass enclosure and bidet. Granite countertops. Complete shower set. Pull-out spray in the kitchen sink and homogeneous tile backsplash. Loran Park features multiple indoor and outdoor amenities on the fifth floor that are designed to inspire, energize, and boost productivity of the residents. Loran Park is offering a one-of-a-kind sky lounges that you can enjoy on the 11th, 19th, 26th, 33rd, and 37th floor. Loran Park introduces a co-working spaces that you can maximize in different ways, meet a friend, set your meetings, and many more. Active Play Park will serve as a convergence and relaxation area and a place where you can promote an active lifestyle, charge your phone on the energy-generating equipment, play a human-sized chess, and many more. Game Room, a unique room where you can play your hearts out. Amenities of Loran Park caters to all age, group, or market.
Living inside Araneta City means you're close to shopping centers, restaurants, and entertainment. Plus, public transports makes getting around Metro Manila easy.
And the main reason why Cubao effortlessly attracts various establishments and civic institutions is because of its central and prime location. It is located at the center of Metro Manila and sits along the historic EDSA. It is a hotspot for various mass transportation modalities covering most of NCR and even to the far provinces. The north to south MRT3 and the east to west LRT2 both have stations in Cubao and are easily accessible via elevated walkways. Commute to CBDs in Ortigas and Makati in just a matter of minutes. Schools and universities in QC and Manila also in a matter of minutes, traffic-free. The plan, Metro Manila Subway will have a station in Anonas, which is only one station away from Cubao Araneta Station. The Araneta City Busport is a future-forward transport hub boasting amenities comparable to an airport, operates provincial buses. Araneta City in Quezon City, Philippines has many attractions, including malls, a coliseum, a farmer's market, and a tower. Ale Mall, the first enclosed air-conditioned mall in the Philippines, named after Muhammad Ali, who fought the Thrill in Manila boxing match at the Araneta Coliseum. New Farmers Plaza, a shopping destination for bargain hunters. Smart Araneta Coliseum, also known as the Big Dome. This 20,000-seat indoor arena is one of the largest in Asia and has hosted many big-name concerts, basketball games, and other events. Farmers Market, the largest fresh produce market in Metro Manila and a top source for seafood and cooking ingredients. Aurora Tower, a 22-level tower with commercial and office spaces, underground parking, a helipad, and the Isitan department store on the first 7 floors. Araneta City Cyber Park, an IT zone with 550,000 square feet of office space in 2 high-rise buildings with more towers planned.
Investing in this property secures not just a home, but a smart investment. The real estate market is growing here, offering great potentials for returns. Ready to take the next step? Contact us today. Let's schedule our tour or learn about our available units. Your dream home is just one call away. Thank you for your time. I'm looking forward to help you to find a perfect property inside Araneta City. See you soon!